Imagine moving through life with the fluidity, flexibility, and control of a martial artist, no matter your age. Shaolin monks have been practicing precise, intentional stretching for centuries, and the results are astonishing. They are not just flexible, they are resilient, agile, and immune to the stiffness and joint problems that plague most adults. Modern science confirms what these monks have known for generations. Mobility is the foundation of strength, balance, and longevity. Today, we are going to explore 6 Shaolin monk stretches that can fix 95% of your mobility problems, improve posture, and make movement effortless. The first stretch is the dynamic hip opener. Many mobility problems begin in the hips. Sitting for hours daily tightens the hip flexors, weakens glutes, and restricts movement patterns. Shaolin monks start with dynamic hip openers, performing slow, controlled leg swings forward, backward, and side to side. This movement increases blood flow, warms up the joint, and lengthens tight muscles. Unlike static stretches, dynamic hip openers train your body to move through a full range of motion actively, which is essential for functional mobility. Harvard and other mobility studies confirm that hip flexibility is one of the most critical predictors of overall movement capacity and injury prevention. The second stretch is the deep squat hold, also known as the Shaolin squat. This is not a casual sit, it is a full, active squat where your feet remain flat, knees track over toes, and your chest is upright. The deep squat opens the hips, stretches the calves, strengthens the ankles, and mobilizes the knees. Most adults lose this ability over time, leading to poor posture, knee pain, and instability. By holding the deep squat for 30 seconds to 1 minute, you train your body to maintain natural joint alignment while engaging the muscles required for stability. Shaolin monks use this stretch daily, allowing them to move effortlessly from standing to ground positions without stiffness or strain. The third stretch is the spinal twist flow. A stiff spine limits rotation, causes back pain, and reduces athletic performance. Shaolin monks perform controlled twists while seated or standing, gradually increasing range of motion. This stretch strengthens the spinal erectors, stretches obliques, and improves thoracic mobility. Unlike passive stretches, the twist flow integrates core engagement, ensuring that the spine is not just flexible, but stable under movement. Harvard research has found that spinal mobility is essential for longevity, balance, and injury prevention. A flexible spine allows the body to absorb force, maintain posture, and perform complex movements without strain. The fourth stretch is the hamstring extension with toe reach. Tight hamstrings are a silent epidemic in modern adults, limiting hip mobility, contributing to lower back pain, and reducing stride length. Shaolin monks address this by performing hamstring extensions, keeping the spine neutral while reaching toward the toes. This stretch targets the hamstrings, calves, and lower back while maintaining tension in the glutes and core. Unlike passive stretching, this active approach strengthens as it lengthens, creating muscles that are both long and resilient. Functional mobility studies emphasize that hamstring flexibility is critical for safe bending, walking, and running mechanics. The fifth stretch is the shoulder and chest opener. Many mobility problems begin in the upper body. Desk jobs, driving, and poor posture lead to rounded shoulders, tight pecs, and stiff thoracic regions. Shaolin monks counter this with chest and shoulder openers, extending the arms behind the back, clasping hands, and lifting the chest. This stretch improves shoulder range of motion, opens the chest, and strengthens the upper back stabilizers. Proper shoulder mobility reduces the risk of rotator cuff injuries, improves posture, and allows for overhead and rotational movements without strain. Harvard mobility research shows that upper body flexibility is directly linked to longevity, functional independence, and injury prevention. The sixth and final stretch is the ankle and calf flow. Many people overlook ankle mobility, but stiff ankles create compensations throughout the knees, hips, and spine. Shaolin monks perform ankle circles, calf stretches, and dorsiflexion exercises, often combined with weight shifts or squats. This improves joint health, strengthens stabilizing muscles, and enhances balance. Mobility experts emphasize that ankle flexibility is critical for walking, running, jumping, and maintaining stability. Improved ankle range of motion translates to better posture, efficient movement patterns, and reduced risk of falls. What makes these 6 Shaolin stretches extraordinary is their integration of strength, stability, and mobility. They are not passive stretches. Each movement engages the muscles, stabilizes the joints, and trains your body to move efficiently. Unlike modern gym stretches, which often isolate muscles or rely on static holds, these flows train your body as a complete system. Dynamic hip openers, deep squats, spinal twists, hamstring extensions, shoulder openers, and ankle flows create a full body mobility program that addresses almost every limitation caused by sedentary lifestyles, aging, or injury. Another key aspect is habitual practice. Shaolin monks perform these stretches daily, often in short sequences of 10 to 20 minutes. The consistency rather than intensity drives results. Modern studies on mobility and flexibility confirm that frequent, targeted movement improves joint range of motion, reduces stiffness, and increases functional independence far more effectively than sporadic, intense stretching sessions. This daily commitment creates muscles, tendons, and joints that are long, strong, and resilient, allowing the body to move effortlessly for decades. These stretches also target neurological function. Controlled movement patterns, especially those involving balance and coordination, train the brain to communicate effectively with muscles and joints. This improves proprioception, reduces injury risk, and maintains agility. Shaolin monks do not just stretch muscles, they teach the nervous system to control motion, absorb impact, and maintain fluid movement. Harvard research in functional mobility shows that neurological engagement is one of the most critical factors in preventing falls and maintaining independence with age. Let us examine the dynamic hip opener in more detail. By performing slow leg swings in multiple directions, you actively engage the hip flexors, glutes, and stabilizing muscles. This movement also strengthens the supporting ligaments and connective tissue around the hip joint, reducing the risk of strains and improving overall balance. Combined with the deep squat, the hips become both strong and mobile, allowing for functional movement in everyday tasks, from sitting to standing to walking efficiently. The spinal twist flow deserves attention as well. Most people lose rotational range of motion with age, contributing to back pain and poor posture. By performing controlled twists while engaging the core, you lengthen the obliques, strengthen the spinal erectors, and improve thoracic mobility. This allows for rotational movements in daily life and sports without injury, enhances breathing efficiency, and improves spinal alignment, reducing chronic pain and stiffness. The hamstring extension with toe reach addresses the posterior chain, which often tightens with prolonged sitting. By maintaining a neutral spine while stretching, you strengthen the glutes and engage the core, ensuring that the stretch does not compromise spinal stability. Over time, this improves stride length, reduces lower back strain, and enhances overall athletic and functional performance. Shoulder and chest openers counteract the effects of modern sedentary behavior. Rounded shoulders create tension in the neck and upper back, reducing circulation and contributing to poor posture. By opening the chest and stabilizing the shoulders, these stretches restore alignment, increase range of motion, and improve upper body performance in lifting, pushing, and rotational movements. This upper body mobility is essential for maintaining independence and preventing injury, even at 60 or 70. Finally, ankle and calf flows are often ignored but essential. Poor ankle mobility leads to compensation throughout the body, affecting knees, hips, and spine. By actively rotating and stretching the ankle joint, you enhance proprioception, balance, and gait mechanics. This not only prevents injuries but also improves athletic performance and functional daily movement. Shaolin monks understand that every joint must move freely for the body to operate efficiently. Even if you have spent years sitting, working, or lifting incorrectly, incorporating these stretches can produce dramatic improvements. Within weeks, tight hips loosen, stiff spines gain rotational range, hamstrings lengthen, shoulders open, and ankles become stable. Functional movement improves, posture corrects, and balance strengthens. These 6 movements are timeless because they address the root of most mobility problems, providing a blueprint for lifelong movement freedom. You do not need machines, weights, or complex equipment. Consistency, intention, and daily practice are all it takes to transform your body into a flexible, resilient, and youthful machine. Start today, follow the movements faithfully, and experience the freedom of movement that comes from mastering the body the way Shaolin monks have for generations.